Hello, and welcome back again to you and our channel, Tutoring Made Easy. In today's video, we're being asked to solve this particular problem. Now, if you look on the screen, we have a certain sequence of numbers. We first have the number 4, there's also another number 9, another number 14 and 19, and so on and so forth. And we're being asked to find the 11th term. We have to find the 11th term. So we can say this is the first term, this is the second term, our third term, fourth term, but they want us to find what? The 11th term. The 11th term, we don't know. We don't know that. That's what we're going to look for. Now, anytime you're being asked to find a term, it's a formula. It's actually a formula. And that formula is T subscript N, like this, equals to A plus N minus 1D, like this. All right. So the T to the power N is basically the term that we're looking for. And then the A there is our first term. The A there is our first term. And the N is a term that we're looking for, the number of the term you're looking for. And then the D is known as the common difference. What's the common difference? The common difference is pretty much like your second term, like a second term minus your first term, right? So like, let's say 9 minus 4, something like that. So once we're able to identify that, then we're good. So we're looking for the 11th term. The common difference here is going to be what? The common difference is the second term, which is 9, minus the first term, which is 4. So it's going to be 5. And this 5 is going to be the difference within all the numbers. So if you take 14 minus 9, you get 5. 19 minus 14, you get 5. So that's the common difference right there. All right. And then we're going to look for T11 so that we can find the what? 11th term. What's our first term here? Our first term is the number 4 right here. And then we're going to bring our plus sign. And then we have our N, which is the 11th term that we're looking for, minus 1. And then we also have our common difference, which is 5. When we do our calculation, we have 4 plus what? 10 and 5. And we know that this is the same as 10 multiplied by 5. And then use your board mass. You're going to do here to be 50. And then it's going to be 4. And when you add that, we get 54. So it means that when we continue this sequence, the 11th term is actually 54. You can pause the video, go back, take a look at that, and then everything will become very clear. I hope this helps. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.